Good morning traders, Joseph here from Eightcap. So we're just looking at the pound, which was to the dollar, which pound was last night's really key moving currency. It had a very sharp sell-off. This really got started in the Asian session and just carried through the entire night basically. So the key reason, one of the reasons behind this is one, where we overextended basically with a lot of fresh longs coming in from late last week. That were worried out after Boris Johnson's comments. Basically, they're going to be committing to the January exit, and how is this going to affect the Brexit, or what type of Brexit? So regardless of whether you're really into the current Brexit or not, we're going to be having to really keep an eye on it, because January is shaping up to be a pretty big month for Brexit. That's when the exit date is, and it could set up, we've seen some great moves on the pound, going all the way back to November. We've seen this incredible rally, and now we've seen this sharp decline. So it could be up for some, some more fabulous moves on the pound, depending on how Brexit goes through and what are the key points coming out of that into January next year. So definitely the pound is one to keep a strong eye on. We're going to just have a quick look now. So the euro overnight did move higher, but there was a pullback late in the session. The Aussie dollar was another one that had a very strong move down last night. It lost just over 0.6%. We're going to keep an eye on this level here. If we can see some support develop from this level, that's around the 6.849 to 6.850 point. And again, just moving back to the pound, we have seen buyers showing interest from this level previously, so that's at the 31.20 point. So keep an eye on that area if we do see, if it does launch some little bit of a recovery rally. But after that move down, you have to be, even though we are in an uptrend, we have to be a little bit careful just to see how and where, if there is some sort of sentiment change going on right now. If we were going to see a continuation, we'd prefer to see a new higher low, so a rally, a decline with a higher low, and then a new rally, to sort of suggest that the trend may be continuing. At the moment though, if we had a sharp rally and then a strong decline to break through that point, we could be seeing a new short to medium term trend developing with a bigger, deeper correction in this current uptrend. So another one we're going to move on to is commodities. Gold again has failed at this resistance point. That's just really holding buyers at bay, anywhere from above where we're just looking at now, that 14.77.85 point. We've seen a lot of rallies stopped at at that level and above. It's really, now we're just starting to think, is gold just waiting for something before it can break out, or are buyers just running out of momentum, and could we see a new short-term move lower? Oil had a stronger session overnight. We saw new highs put in, so we've got new 3 months highs put in overnight. And right now for oil, this resistance point here is the key one. And then if we do continue to extend higher, this would be the next high end resistance point here, which was basically back in September when we saw that massive spike in oil after the attack in Saudi Arabia. So US stocks finished higher last night, but again it was very small gains, and we saw mixed returns in the end of the Asian session yesterday, with the ASX finishing slightly lower, but the Nikkei and Chinese stocks finishing higher. So today, I think a lot of traders will still be focused on the pound, and just seeing what the follow-up's going to be after yesterday's sell down. So until tomorrow, have a fantastic trading day, and bye for now.